Hi, it's Fierce Tarot. Hello, Pisces placements. Okay, this is your general and love reading ngayong mid-December. So again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga item, we have protection from evil eye, we have love bracelets for singles and sa may mga conflict. May mga conflict sa mga karelasyon, and ang ating granter necklace. Okay, so si granter ay taga-grant ng mga minamanifest para mapabilis. Okay, and yes, nag-grant din to ng mga something, sabihin nating mga surprise, no? Ang saya nun, yes, ang saya nun pag ganyan, kahit di mo minamanifest, so may dumarating na something na maganda, okay? So, in general, yes, maganda lang. And, yung ating pinaka-bago nating item for cord cutting. Okay, so kung may tanong, mag-message na lang po, okay? Para masagot lahat doon sa message. Okay? So, Pisces, unahin natin ang general reading for you. Okay. For mid-December. General reading for Pisces. Okay, the Six of Wands inversed. The Knight of Pentacles. So, I think this is a message na kailangan mong malaman na hindi dapat napapakialaman ng ibang tao ang pamimera mo. Okay? Or sabihin natin, hindi dapat magdidesisyon ang ibang tao pagdating sa'yo in general. Okay? Judgment. It's up to you. It's up to you rin. Pero, for me, kung sa tingin mo ikaw ang may kailangang dumesisyon, dapat ikaw ang dumesisyon. That's general. Okay? Lalo na pagdating sa pamimera, I think. Some of you may chance rin ng decision pagdating sa isang relationship. I'm getting something na pwedeng parang minomold pa, no? It's like hindi pa handa, hindi pa ready, pero namomold na, maybe. Okay? There's this energy na pwedeng minamasa pa, ngayong mid-December for you. Okay? Maybe this is talking about a relationship, maybe your person, eksaktong person, okay? Yung person mo talaga na para sa'yo. Okay? If you're ready, then, there's someone coming in. Okay? The Three of Wands. So, what else for you, Pisces? The Ace of Pentacles. Money, new beginnings. Okay, projects. If this is pakikipagbalikan, then meron din. Okay? A return maybe. So, in general, this is talking about energy ng upgrade, leveling up. Lalo na po pagdating sa kaperahan. What's with this Ace of Pentacles? There's this new open opportunity, an open door opportunity. Okay, the Queen of Wands. Okay, iba sa inyo, may chance ng improvement pagdating sa kung ano man, workplace. Okay, bibigyan ka ng, sabihin natin, there's this energy ng promotion. Okay, so there's this credits ako nakikita. Iba sa inyo, talagang may ang tawag dyan, may paparating something, blessing in general. Okay, a blessing na pwedeng matagal mo nang hinihintay rin. Okay? Some of you, gagastos ka pagdating sa sarili. Okay? People see you. Okay? Na someone na talagang tataas yung status. Okay? Tingin ng tao sa'yo, may pera. Ganun ang tingin sa'yo. Kahit sabihin mo, wala naman po akong pera. Well, ayun ang tingin niya sa'yo. Tingin ng tao sa'yo. Or something lang, pwedeng may magbabago or may mga pagbabago makikita or mahahalata yung mga tao pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah. Andyan yung may mga maiinggit pa. Kung anong meron ka, sabihin natin, kung anong meron ka, kahit sabihin natin ganito lang, may chance na kakainggitan ka pa rin. I don't know kung ano yun. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. Okay. Sa may mga evil eye dyan, gamit-gamitin. May mga magbabato. Okay? May mga naiinis, may mga nagagalit, may mga nangungontrol, may mga nagsasabi ng hindi maganda. Ha? Okay, gamitin ninyo yung inyong mga evil eye, kung meron kayong mga evil eye. What's with this Magician in reverse? Yeah, the Page of Chalices. Ito yung mga mga bulong-bulungan. Dala ng emosyon. Okay, dala ng emosyon, bulong-bulungan. Okay? Buti pa si no? Ba't kaya ganun? Yun, may mga ganyan. Kahit sabihin natin hindi naman masama yung sinasabi. Pero nandun yung bakit kaya ganun, no? Ganto siya. Ganto ganyan. Basta, okay? So, you have to protect your energy this mid-December. Well, kailangan naman palagi, no, na protektahan yung energy mo. Yeah. And the Fool in reverse. Some of you, there's this someone na sabihin nating nagugustuhan ka. Okay? They're manifesting you. There's this someone, a younger water or Virgo, who is manifesting you. Yeah. What's with this Page of Chalices? Who is this? Yeah, they have something. Yeah, they love you. Okay, they love you. Nakatago lang yung emosyon. Yeah. Kung hindi man younger, sabihin lang natin na hindi lang sila ready to tell you how they feel. Okay? Yeah, takot silang ma-reject if ever. Or ma-friend zone if ever. Okay? So, I think kikim-kimin na lang nila yun. Kung ano man yung meron, kung kagustuhan pagdating sa'yo, itatago na lang nila yun. Okay? Like, natatago sa baol. Okay? So, mga ganong bagay. Yeah. Well, I'm seeing you progress. May progress pagdating sa looks, progress sa status. Yes. Kasi ang taas ng tingin sa'yo ng tao ngayon. Okay, ang taas ng tingin sa'yo. Maybe your energy. Sabihin natin kung hindi man yung energy mo, may magbabago. Okay? And nakaka-attract yung energy na to. Kung ano man to, this is something new. Pagdating sa iba. Pagdating sa paningin ng iba, this is something new. Okay? Some of you, you're still stuck sa isang past connection. Yeah, the World in reverse. The Two of Chalices in reverse. You're still stuck. Or maybe somebody's still stuck pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa iyong person. Okay? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who is this person you're thinking about? Okay, Pisces. Who is this person? Okay, the Ten of Wands. Gives you burden. The Empress. Some of you, ikaw itong may backache. I don't know. Or pwedeng dumadaing siya ng backache. Pwedeng Virgo. Okay? Iba sa kanila sabihin nating lahat na ng responsibilidad nasa kanila. Okay? Lahat-lahat na. Some of them, they feel stuck. Okay? Feel stuck or feeling nila parang wala nang mangyaring progress sa kanila kasi ang dami nilang parang shoulder. A breadwinner, the Ten of Wands, the Empress. Some of you, there's this energy of a single mother or a single father. Okay? Somebody who shoulders lahat-lahat. The responsibilities. Oo, parang ganyan. Okay? Some of them, they look charming, yeah, pretty, handsome, yeah, yung mga ganyang bagay, no? That's specific. So, anong situation ninyo, Pisces? Anong situation ninyo nitong taong to? Okay. Situation, please. The Four of Swords. Why? Some of you pwedeng you're in a breakup. Okay, you're in a breakup. Four of Swords. The Sun. A lot of issue, I think. Arguments, maybe? Arguments. Meron ditong mga lumalagpas na. I don't know. Something na pwedeng energy is like, may mga nakakalimutan na. Okay, sa sobrang daming gawa. Yeah. Being the Sun, pagdating sa situation, andun lang yung, yes, nakakapagod to, yes, ang daming isipin, pero always looking lang sa positive side of the situation. Something like that. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Swords. We'll get through it. Parang ganon. If there's a lot of conflicts, maybe, or problems, or drama, andun yung energy na, kaya natin to. Or kaya to. Parang ganyan. Malalagpasan din to. Something like that. Okay, okay lang yan. Yes, kailangan natin, sabihin natin parang, pahinga lang yan. And then, okay, go na ulit. Parang ganun yung energy. Some of you, meron kayong anak. Ito Pisces, this is specific. Somebody's thinking of having a kid. Or somebody wants to conceive na. Okay? Like, gusto na magkaroon ng baby and hindi pa nagagawa. Because of the responsibilities na meron yung isa or meron ikaw. Parang ganyan. Nabubulol ako. I don't know why. Meron ditong kailangan pag-usapan. That's specific. Meron ditong gustong magkaanak na. Pero hindi pa magawa. Somebody wants to settle down, pero hindi pa magawa rin. Okay? Because of the responsibilities. Lalo na, kung itong taong to is a breadwinner. Okay? So, what is their emotion right now? Their emotion for you, Pisces? The Knight of Wands. Okay? And, yeah, the King of Chalices. They're in love. They love you. Okay? Some of them, the sex is great. Ay, narinig ko. Okay? The sex is great daw. They love you. Genuinely. Okay? The King of Chalices. Yeah. So, I think some of you, Pisces, you're the one who is, sabihin nating, mas in love dito sa taong to. Okay? Alam nila yon. Yung iba sa kanila, sabihin nating hindi masyadong nabibigyang pansin na itong connection or hindi nabibigyang masyadong effort kasi masyadong busy. Okay? Pero yeah, they love you. Okay? So, anong meron? Next action niya towards you, Pisces. The Fool. Taking risk. Okay? What's with that? Yeah, the Justice. Ooh! Leveling things up. Taking the connection into the next level. Okay, yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. Ooh! Wow. They want to commit. Some of you, they see you as their other half. Meron ako nakikita rito, gusto nang may mapag-usapang pagsasettle down. Okay? Yeah, the Chariot. Settling down. Okay? Settling down. Taking risk. This is nice. Actually. Meron ditong umiintindi lang. Dahil sobrang love. May umiintindi dito. Okay? Iniiwasan ng arguments. Yung isa kasi dito is sobrang pagod na. Pero may umiintindi lang ng umiintindi. Pero yeah, because of the love, the genuine love. Okay? Mahal naman yung isa't isa. Pero sabihin natin hindi lang makaalis yung isa sa mga responsibilidad. So, nandyan yung isa to comfort or maybe to support. Okay? So, it's like, okay, magkasama tayo. Parang ganyan. Kahit anong mangyari, suportahan tayo. Ang ganda nito. Ang ganda nito. Kailan ba ako naka-reading ng ganito sa iyo, Pisces? Wala. Ang ngayon lang. Oo. Di very good kung kayo naman to. Very good. Okay. So, let's see anong outcome. Sana maganda, no? Nawa. Ang daming struggles dito. Ang daming pinagdaanan nitong taong to. Sa totoo lang. Ang dami. Parang tumanda na lang din sa connection. Doon na lang din tumanda. Okay. Parang nag-mature na lang itong connection na to eh. Yeah. Nagsimula lang din kayo sa wala eh. Like, yeah. Kung yung normal na magka-connect. Pero, nag-strive eh. Like, yeah, nagsuportahan. Naging, yeah. Anyway, outcome/advice. The Eight of Pentacles in reversed. The Hanged Man in reversed. The Moon, yeah. Pagiging open to each other, emotion, thoughts, feelings. Okay? It's like hindi fino-force kung anong meron. This is like support. Yeah. Support lang, parang ganyan. The Hanged Man in reversed. It's like kung anong gawa mo, okay, sige, go. Pagkakaintindihan. Yun nakikita ko dito. Okay? Pagkakaintindihan. Eventually, kahit ano pa yung dumaan ditong conflict, problem, drama, parang lang eh. Sisiw, parang ganun. Dadaan lang at dadaan. Yeah. I think this is a mature connection. Yeah, see, the Five of Swords. Yeah. Kahit anong mangyari, suportahan lang. Ang ganda nito. It's like too good to be true na read. Pero, yeah. Yun ang aking nakikita rito. Okay? Marami na rin siguro talagang nangyari na sabihin natin, okay, drop na natin to. Pero hindi eh. Nagkakaunawaan dito. Hindi ko to sasayangin. Alam ko, meron din akong part dito. Kailangan ko umintindi. Yes. Alam nyo, hindi naman lahat dapat, no, kailangan umintindi na lang ng umintindi. Okay? Yeah, depende pa rin sa situation. Pero ang nakikita ko dito is, may maganda namang dahilan yung person. Kaya, yeah, kayong mga Pisces na nakikita ko na sumusuportan lang din dito, well, wala akong masasabi. Wala akong masasabi. O, diba? Wala akong nasabi. Anyway, well, sana nga, no, maging okay yung kung ano man ang meron dito. Yeah, magpatuloy. It's like, okay, ating susuungin lahat. Oo, parang ganyan. Yeah, kapit bisig. Ganon. Well, yeah, 'di ba? Maganda 'yun kung magka-connect kayo, magka-relasyon kayo. Lagi naman dapat suportahan, 'di ba? Anyway, a mature connection. A matured one. Okay? So, I'm happy. Oo, dun sa reading. Okay. So, darating sa punto talagang may focus rin ninyo. Okay, yung situation pagdating sa inyo naman. Oo. Marami lang talaga na kailangang unahin. Pero iintindi, susuporta. May magpapasalamat, may mag-a-appreciate. I appreciate you. Parang ganun, oo, 'di ba? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pisces. Okay. Aries. So, nawawala ang tension. Somebody will guard down. Somebody will unblock you, maybe. Or pwedeng itong Aries na to, i-unblock ka. Taurus, they want to flirt. They like you. They want to get your attention. Gemini, they want to commit. They want to commit. They want you. Cancer. Ghosting. May nakikita akong ghosting. Something na pwede ring may mga realizations. Leo. Pwede may mga sasabihin. Pwede may mga answers na ibibigay to avoid stress na rin. There's this clarity or maybe closure from a Leo. Virgo, they love you. They want a good connection, or sabihin natin, they see you as their other half. Some of them, they want a relationship with you, like long term. Libra, there's this delays, pendings. Some of you, there's this blockage. Pwedeng may mga gusto siyang sabihin, pero hindi niya alam kung paano. Okay? Scorpio, they have trust issues. Or maybe you don't need to trust this Scorpio. Sagittarius, they're a juggler. Capricorn, okay, they want na totally mag-invest na sa'yo. Okay? Aquarius, they're attracted. Pisces, there's this energy of uncertainty, okay, unsure, something like that, okay, doubts, sadness, yun ang nakukuha ko. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.